Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. It is Friday, February 6, 2015, last trading day of the week. We closed really with a stupendous um, between yesterday and today. If you discount this one tick loser, it's 6 winners in a row. And let's just take a look at gold first. On gold, this really nice trade early in the morning. We opened the room at 8:15 Eastern Standard. We had the went 15. We had the move down, the retracement. Now you can see we have background bias, order flow, and momentum. And down we went for 15. Then on gold, as we continue on, I took the break, the retracement, and I didn't have order flow and momentum, and I should have waited. And it pressed through to 4, plus 4, didn't hit our target, came back, and as soon as I saw that, I took it out at -1. Of course, the next retracement with order flow and momentum pressed right through to 5 ticks for a winner. That's how critical it is to have that with you. Now, this low pivot had not formed yet. Now, this was a very aggressive long because of the fact that it didn't have background bias, but it was a nice setup. It was a break of the. It was a. Oops. It was a move to the upside, retracement right back to the 50, and then up. Just a little too aggressive for me. Other people in the room took it. Now, don't know. I think we may have been done already. Yeah, we were. I mean, we finished really early, but there's a nice break in retracement. That's a winner. Big winner. Now, let me just see what the MA diff was here. We want it to be 18 or less. Well, it was 25. It was a bit oversold to take a trade and close to a pivot. I don't know if I would have taken it, but by 10:13 we were finished. But that's a potential trade, a little more aggressive. But with order flow and momentum, background bias coming like this, I probably would have taken this trade. Would have gone a couple of ticks in our favor, given us just 2 ticks of heat, actually 3 ticks, and then fallen right into our laps. So we had a 15-tick trade on gold, and we had a 1-tick loser. Then on crude, we just had this winner. Now, I anticipated that bias would form. It did not. And luckily, the trade was a winner anyway. Well, there's no luck really, and I'll tell you, there's no luck in day trading. I guess sometimes I could have taken the second retracement, gotten a second winner. But again, this time there was no order flow and momentum, so I laid off of it. And really, I think taking an entry with order flow and momentum is really critical. So that's our second winner, plus 10, and we have plus 15. And we're looking for 3 winners and out on a Friday. We're not looking to press or squeeze the market for more than that because it's just dangerous. Now on the ES, you can see we've got beautiful entries here. Look at this. This is a little bit aggressive, I have to say. It was a move down. Whoops. Wrong icon. Sorry. Move down. Retracement. We did have background bias, no order flow and momentum. It pressed 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ticks is our first target, and we were out. And that was our third winner. Look at this trade. We'll move up. Now you want to get the retracement right back into the 15. You would have taken it, would have given you a few ticks of heat, not stopped you out, and given you a really lucrative trade on the ES. Now, if you would have missed that, Could have taken this signal, and up you go. Great trade. Now, I really didn't even get a chance to look at the Russell today, because let's take a quick look at the Russell. Now, that was a beautiful long on the Russell right here. The move up, the retracement, and up we go. No way to catch that long on the Russell. So that was it. We had one really, really beautiful setup on the Russell. And you see that it came, bias clicked right into the trade. And you initiated the trade with order flow and momentum right off the 50, right off the 15, and that's a gorgeous trade. I just want to take a quick look at bonds and notes. Somebody took a bond trade in the room, and I haven't really had an opportunity to look at bonds and notes. And let me just do that real quickly here. I'm going to get some bigger monitors over the weekend, because looking at so many markets here. Here's bonds. Oh, yep, what a gorgeous trade. Now, bond, this would have been a $650 trade. Look at that trade. The break, the retracement, and the move down. What a trade. And that came at 10.12. That is one gorgeous trade. I'll tell you. Let's see if there's anything else. A lot of movement on bonds today. Well, this is way off the modified 15. Way off support. Would not take that trade. There's no way to catch this fall in bonds. This is at 8:30. This is on I think unemployment data came out, and you couldn't trade this. That's one of the reasons why we had so many candles. Here's a potential trade, the move down, the retracement, and then the continuation short right here. That would have also given you another winner. Right here. I would have taken you out for a full trade. We're only looking for 3 ticks. We got 4. It's $32 a tick. So 2 beautiful trades on bonds today. Gorgeous trades. So that's it. We're in the process of developing 2 new indicators. One's a market profile indicator. The other does quantitative analysis of multiple correlative markets, and we'll project the data onto our trading chart. For crude, there are multiple correlative markets. For the ES, there are multiple correlative markets. Some of them are directly proportional or moving in, and some of them are inversely correlated. Some of them are directly correlated. I mean, to give you an example, bonds and notes are inversely correlated with the ES, and we're going to project that data onto the chart. So we're going to even strengthen our trading chart even further. If you stay conservative with background bias, order flow, and momentum, and do not be concerned about missing trades that move or winners, and just sidestep all the losers. That's trading with a lot of specificity. That's what we're looking for. And the last 2 days, I went into ultra conservative mode, and I really have 6 winners in a row. If you sidestep this 1 tick loss, and that 1 tick loss, if I would have taken the next signal that had order flow and momentum with it, it would have been a winner. But we got our 3 wins, and we're not going to push past those 3, especially on a Friday. We made $530 today, very, very small commissions. Auto Trader this week took 4 trades, 4 wins, and made $1,060. You can't do better than that, I'll tell you, when you're not even looking at the Auto Trader and it's just doing it on its own. to make $1,000 on just 4 trades. So it doesn't come any better than that. So we welcome you into the room. We would really like to have you come in for a trial. Sign up for a free trial to our live trading room. Go to www.rightlinetrading.com, and there you'll see a link to our daily net equity in the trading room, a link to our daily net equity for the auto trader, a link to our sign up page for a free trial, and a link to a contact us page where you can send us an email, and we get a lot of them. You can also email us directly at info@rightlinetrading.com or call us at 1-855-765-6681. Monday we come out with an updated version of our direct entry system, which has been functioning awesome. It tries to adjust for slippage. It gets you into a trade on the ES bonds and notes with a 1-tick premium. That's a 33% premium on bonds and notes. And it's really doing a terrific job. Auto Trader is killing it this week, 1,060 on 4 trades, and we're doing great in the trading room. So I wish everybody a happy weekend and look forward to seeing you in the room on Monday. Take care.